your arms to the front and try to push your hands away from your chest. Have your belly in, round your back, bow your head, and bring your chin to your chest. Okay, then inhale up forward and extend your arms up. So from your palms together, then right hand down, inhale, side bend to your right side, exhale. Again, try to extend your arms until you feel stretch. And if you want a deeper stretch, you can bring your elbows down sa chest forward, low by your left. Alright, inhale right arms forward, exhale. Again, hold 4, 5 reps. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1, exhale, release. One more round, and extend your right leg to the back. This time, bend the right knee. And extend your left arms forward. Stay for 3 reps. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And from that posture, hold your hands towards your back and rub your right foot or right ankle. Then again, try to keep your right foot away from that. To left arm chest, you can look forward and look then bring your right elbow inner side of your right thigh. Then left hand sa back, bind your right leg. Bind sa right leg. Left hand sa likod. Okay, then straighten sa left leg. Go forward, inhale first. Go slightly up. Then go down sa inner fold. Alright, hold 5 breaths. Okay, 5. Hold. Hold. Four. 2, 1. Sige, sige. Wala to. Wala na. Alright, come forward. Then lift back. Set up the left arm sa likod. Again, open your chest. Alright, hold. 3, 2, 1. Again, from that pose, bring your left hand down. The elbows down. Extend your right leg up. Left leg up. Again, toes pointing down to feel the strength in your hamstring. Stay for 5 breaths. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come up. Then, figure 4. Break your left ankle to right hand.
Picture sa akin.
So again, hands are back. Interlace the fingers. Inhale, opens the chest. Go down to your forward fold. Hands away from back. Para mas more deeper sa atong stress sa atong chest, sa atong shoulder. Alright, inhale, slowly come up. Release your hands. So this time, bring your left foot down, left knee up, right hands up, left arms up, while bending. Alright, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left hand down, balance ang breathing, and left leg up in here. Okay, from that pose, mag-lunge ka. Bring your left knee to your chest, lean forward. Then bring your left foot down in between your hands. Back heels up, look forward, extend your arms forward to your runner's lunge. Hug ang belly, engage ang right nga, leg or quads. Alright, then as you exhale, bring your hands down. Then hips back, pyramid pose, look forward, lengthen first, go down to your fold. Again, you can go your hands forward or towards the back, basta ayaw lang i-bend ang knees. Stay 3, 2, 1. Look forward, advance the left knee, bring your right knee down, do lunge. And taxi toes. Extend your arms up, inhale, lengthen. And as you exhale, interlace the fingers, palms facing up, lengthen first, lean back, open your chest. Again, look up to the ceiling, 5 breaths. Alright, and as you exhale, look forward, bring your hands down, again, hips back, half split, straighten the left legs, look forward, touch your toes, go down, forward. Then ako deeper, you can bring your elbows down sa kanan. Stay there, 3, 2, 1. Again, look forward, advancing knee. Okay, this time, bring your right elbow down. Then bend your right knee and drop your right foot or right ankle with your left hand. Again, try to bring your heels closer sa inyong glutes so feel the stretch of your quads. Alright, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Hands down. Okay, this time, right hand down, inner side to right leg. Then turn your left foot to your left side. Right side. Ano? Bagay ko. Pivot your left foot to your left. Left hand down, right arms up. Again, opens the chest. Alright, hold 3, 2, 1. Okay, from that pose, bring your right hand sa back. Ibahan mo sa left na leg. Again, try to rotate your left shoulder, open your chest, and down sa taas. Okay, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Come up, open your arms to your side. Okay, this time, bring your right hand down, extend the left arms, then extend your left leg sa back. Okay, from that pose, bend your left knee and grab your left foot. Again, try to push your hips forward. Open your chest, try to look forward, bring up to the same side press. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Bring your left foot down sa back, left hand down, right leg up, balik sa breathing again. Okay, then from your breathing below, again, one knee, chaturanga, lean forward, inhale, chest down. Exhale, come up, cobra. Exhale, hips up, balik sa downward facing. Okay, then stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, go forward. You can step forward or jump forward, sama naman. Come up halfway, hands to shin. Exhale to your forward fold and down. Inhale, rise up, standing pose. Circle your arms up. Again, palms together. Then as you exhale, hands to your heart. So hands aside, your chair pose down. So you can bring your feet together. You can open your feet as wide sa hips. When you swipe ang fingertips, pulilis sa kita po, hug ang belly, hands in line with ears. Alright, so from that pose, prayer twist, left elbow to your right thigh, palms together, hands to heart. Hug ang belly, you squeeze your belly in, parang naka-twist. Okay, inhale, then as you exhale, back to center, extend your arms up to your chair. Other side, as you exhale, bring your right elbow, other side of your left thigh, palms together, hands to heart. Again, left elbow by your knee. Alright, inhale, back to center. So from here, go down to your forward fold. Plant your hands down to the mat. Touch your knees. Inhale halfway up forward. Again, hands down, step back, or you can jump down. Go down, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, come up cobra, opens the chest. Exhale, use that body and downward facing. Okay, just stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, right foot forward. Top of the mat, come up with high lunge, back face up. Okay, then fabric, cactus the arms. Then, lean back, open your chest. Look up to the ceiling, 3 breaths. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Again, back to center, back to see how then bring your knees down, inches away from the mat. This time, hold 5 breaths. Right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees down, hands down, no lunge. So, yeah, just as it is. Attack and close na. Extend your arms, inhale, open. So, from here, bring your left hand to your left heel, right arms up, lean back. Open your chest, extend your arms all the way to the back 5 breaths. Alright, back to center, inhale, arms up. Then show yourself, please, to your right side. Open your arms, bend them forward, belong to the back, or gaze to your right fingers. Stay 3, 2, 1. Look forward and bring your left elbow to your right thigh, palms together, prayer twist. Your right elbow lifting up, hug your belly, para mga twist, anak mo sa taas. Alright, stay in that pose. Then from that pose, bring tap your left nose, then your left knee up to your remote high lunge. Okay, this time, bring your left hand down, upper side of your right foot. Extend your right arms up. Then stay for 5 breaths. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, release your hands down. Again, figure 4. Bring your right ankle untak sa inyong left na thigh. Right ankle sa left. Mula na figure 4. Okay, then turn your body to your left side. Side ka, side, left. Left side. Left side, left. Okay, right hand down, left arms up. Kung maglisan ka, you can bring your right hand down. Right up. Oh, extend the right. Left hand down, right arms up. Alright, then from that pose, bring your right hand down first. Then grab your right fingers with your fist finger, left na finger. Grab your right fingers and your left na finger. Extend your right leg to your left side. Floating a fallen triangle. Alright, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down, right foot sa baba, isang lang. Go down, Chaturanga. Inhale ka ang cobra. Exhale, sa balik sa downward facing. Okay, forward.
Pas-pasan. Pas-pasan ka na.
Go downward forward fold. Inhale, rise up standing. Circle your arms up, palms together. Exhale, hands to your right. Again, hands aside. Inhale, circle your arms up, palms together. Again, lean back, open your chest. Alright, hold 3, 2, 1. Exhale, back to center. Go down to your forward fold. Inhale, halfway, hands to shin. Again, hands down, jump back. Go to your plank, chest down, Chaturanga. Come up forward. Lean forward ka lang. Again, try to push yourself away from that para hindi mo lang sa shoulder. Then bring your right foot on top sa inyong left na foot. Right, go 3, 2, 1, release. Other side, left foot on right, and then go 3 reps. Alright, release. Belly down, hips down, chest down.
Kalamig. Buntag na kang buhok.
Elbow ha, elbow sila sa shoulder, elbows down.
Pwede na mamamugong.
Ang elbow lang down sa mat. Elbow. Ganun. Okay, then look forward. Inhale, slowly come up. Straighten the arms. Straighten the tongue. Kung ganahan mo before, you will move your hands closer sa inyong chest. Rotate ang shoulder. Right, hold. 3, 2, 1. Chest down. Okay, so mag-low pose na. Extend the arms forward. Bend your toes. Again, look forward. Inhale, chest up. Isa si arms. And again, legs up or feet up. Try to keep your feet away from that. Para din mag-enemies. Alright, release. Okay, so ang next, bend your knees, grab your ankle. Alright, look forward. Inhale first. Pinasyo exhale again, chest up. This time, keep your feet away from that. Para release ang chest. Alright, hold. 3, 2, 1. Sige, bakuhin sa agad.
Hapla.
Rasa. Okay, then from that pose, bring your hands beside sa inyong chest. Okay, then open the right knee to your right side, bend the right knee. Okay, then as you inhale, slowly come up to your high over up. Then try to push your knees down sa mat para ma-share ang upper inner thigh. Right, hold. 3, 2, 1, then down. Okay, from here, extend the left arm sa left side, go to your right side, head down, and push your right leg over your left torso, find this right knee, bring shoulder cane. Bend sa left knee, grab the inner side of the left foot with your left hand. Open your inner thigh. Left knee pointing up. Alright, release. Left hand down first and bring your left foot down back sa iyong mat. Come up to your warrior one. Warrior one sa warrior one. Okay, from your warrior one, open your arms to your warrior two. Look to the front, bend your right knee straight sa left hip, hand and bend the elbow down. Left hand down, right arms up, reverse. Okay, open your chest, palms facing down, look to your right, look up to the ceiling, but rest. Alright, back to center, open. So from here, right hand down, inner side of your right leg, right foot, and send your left arms away. Open the chest. Look up to the ceiling, and try to extend your arms so feel the stretch of your shoulder. Alright, and from that pose, bring your left hand sa mat, ibahin na po sa right leg. Okay, open first, inhale, then as you exhale, left foot forward, keep together, flat upper back. Dito ka balance, come up. Alright, go ha. Okay, release that. Sige, sige. Dapat pa-release. Picture.
Group to representative.
Huwag niyo lang ka. Huwag niyo lang ka. Sa kamay. Wala sa kamay. Ano? Straight lang sa atas.
Isa buhok.
Ito. Pero nag-straight lang yung kamot.
Gimorder ang tiis sa
Sa akin na sa nag-cleaning ba?
Region mo na siya.
Pwede na i-open ang inyong knees, ma'am. Relax lang, open.
Why shorted na nito?
Ha?
Why shorted na? Diretso na ng word.
Murag, ano yan siya? Dito siya sa feeling sa iyong one, sa
Kaya
iyong
kung gusto
four.
mo, klaro kay color.
Sige, klaro may linig.
Klaro kang binangkal.
Wala na siya nilikid, wala na siya ikuha, wala na siya.
Panada.
Yung panada ka na bungkal.
Pakuyawan na, kupudpud.
Yung siya nilikid, wala na pagpilay na yan. Buto na ba?
Undana.
Ano,
At galis na daw.
Right forward ha, ibang lang kung sakit ang knee, you can bring your heels closer sa inyong inner thigh and hands down. So again, try to push your hands out away from naman. Pero kung maka-extend mo, pwede na mo siya extend. Pero kung hindi, pwede na your hands down. Alright, hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you go down. Alright, come up then. Palis sa natin mermaid. Bend, pwede na mag-kick ha, pwede na mag-grab. Huwag nyo na ikuan, na nag-grab, i-hook ninyo ang inyong kuan, inyong tulo sa taas. Open sa chest and up forward. Alright, hold. Sinangka, ang kamot away from sa inyong ulo. One, after release. Okay na niya. Other side na side. Left leg sa front, extend sa right leg sa back. Other side in the picture. Same gihapon, again, try to push yourself away from that or try to extend your arms. Right, go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, come up, other side na mermaid, bend your right knee, bend up, breathe and take your right elbow again.
Sorry lang ito rin.
Cross or one, put your fingers together.
Kasi maka-mermaid si Jackie din.
Sige, 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 sige.
Ano lang?
Okay, open sa, pwede na isa, open sa chest. Ano sa kubangan. Right, hold, 3, 2, 1, okay, release. So again, so bring your right foot forward, so sa looking together. Remove na mo sa legs up and down. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then grab sa big toes, extend. Hold for 10 breaths. Okay, hold 10.
Ano ko kapig?
Okay, kung comfortable sa pito, gala, you can open your feet.
Ah!
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Ganyan lang shape. So, umala ta. Extend still legs sa front. Kaya nagbuwag na, breathing. Arms up, inhale. Dapat dito sa TikTok pa. Go down, down, forward, go. Yan, go, inhale. TikTok, TikTok, TikTok sa tao. Ilang na TikTok, 15 minutes. Alright, inhale, come up, then hands above. Fingers out, bend sa toes, rotate ang shoulder, open sa chest. Alright, look forward, back to your neutral spine. Twist na ta, cross your right leg over left, have your right knee, right hand sa back, inhale, open, twist to your right side, and stay. And then, basta nito, try to your